get obsessed so easily. And honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and
Yeah, every day goes, every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move, it's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. Showed me. You showed me love. It's all downhill from here. In the wake of a hurricane, dark skin of a southern sun, going down in the floodline. Tall tower built great. It's the same way you showed me. Cannonball off the porch side, older kids trying off the roof. Just the same way you showed me. You showed. If you could die, come back to life. Upper air from the swimming pool. You kneel down to the giant. It's the earth that birthed you. Gave you tools just to stay alive and make it out when the sun is ruined. That's the same way you showed me. Showed.
Hold me, kiss me, whisper sweetly that you love me. For
I just wanna love myself. 난 좋을 때도 나쁠 때도 love my weakness. 하려 했던 기대와는 달리 왠지 볼품없다 해도 find the good parts, the good parts. 실수해도 좋아 find the good parts. 이대로도 좋아 find the good parts. 모든 게 so blurry 하나 빠른 보로이 그게 때로는 better than before. 그게 흐릿한 내 맘을 아름답게. I just wanna love myself now. I love when my hair is done. I love when my nails are done. Being a girl is fun. Yeah.
For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You're just so important. Nobody do body like you do.
Calcifer, you're being so obedient.
Not on purpose, she bullied me.
Not just anybody can do that. Hand me 2 more.
Oh, la belle vie. sans amour, sans souci, sans problème. Oui, la belle vie.
Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow. Something.
Oh, when you smiling.
I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself.
There's a saying, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Dear Diary, today is my first official day as Princess of Genovia. We'll land in a few hours and I'll meet the Parliament and the people before beginning my royal duties. Mom is, of course, moving to Genovia with...
I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start.
You always let your emotions get in the way. That's the problem with you, Lorelai. You don't think.
Mom,
please. He's just a man, Lorelai.
No, he's not.
Oh, so what are you telling me? That this was all worth it because he was the love of your life, that this was the man for you?
I don't know. He might have been. Excuse me.
I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a